First, I would say that we need to keep a cool head because it's going to be a moment during which all cybersecurity teams will be very, very busy. So being calm is really important, and it's also in critical moments like this, stress is going to be confusing and it's going to prevent us from acting in a clear and efficient way. Staying cool and staying calm is a skill that is really important to have in cybersecurity in general. So I would approach this also as an opportunity to learn new vulnerabilities, and I would try to understand them. Like, for example, when Log4j happened, a few days later, there was a box on TryHackMe to learn about it. So I was actually able to test it and learn more about it. So you can also, deploy your own lab and test some things out. It might be scary, but I think the best way to stop being scared of something is to try to understand it. In the case of a vulnerability, you can also find some way to patch them or to deploy something while waiting for the official patch to come out. By demystifying something you don't understand, it really helps us also keep the calm and the cool.